the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Hey everyone, welcome to Balla's Kitchen. This is a bit different from my normal videos, but this one just spoke to my soul. Or maybe I was just craving a delicious cookie. Anyway, today we're embarking on a quest for the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. I've scoured the internet, looked at the highest rated recipes, and combined all the best tips and tricks into one super cookie. Just to give you a bit of personal info about me, YouTube isn't my job. I actually own a cookie company. YouTube is my hobby. So get ready, because this is going to be epic. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, softened unsalted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, large eggs, vanilla extract, and of course, chocolate chips. Make sure your butter is actually softened, not melted. We want it creamy, not oily. Trust me, it makes a difference. And for the chocolate chips, go wild. Semi-sweet, dark, milk chocolate, chunks, whatever your heart desires. I'm using a mix today. All right, let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, and salt. This ensures everything is evenly distributed. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. This is where a mixer comes in handy, but you can definitely do it by hand if you're feeling ambitious. Now beat in your eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. Don't overmix. We want a tender cookie, not a tough one. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Again, resist the urge to overmix. Finally, fold in those glorious chocolate chips. Don't be shy, load them up. This is the secret weapon, folks. Cover your dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or even better, a couple of hours. Chilling allows the flavors to meld together and prevents the cookies from spreading too thin while baking. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup a breeze. Scoop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving some space between each cookie. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Remember, they'll continue to bake a bit as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And that's it. You've just made the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Now grab a glass of milk, find a comfy spot, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. These cookies are best enjoyed warm, fresh from the oven. Okay, let's recap the recipe for you. You'll need 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 cups chocolate chips. Mix the dry ingredients. Cream the butter and sugars, add the eggs and vanilla, combine wet and dry, fold in the chocolate chips, chill, bake at 375, and enjoy. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and baking tips. If you enjoyed this video and recipe, then please give us a like. Happy baking!